In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-step verification in Gmail. Two-step verification, sometimes called two-step verification or 2FA, adds a second check when you sign in. So even if someone learns your password, they can't get in without that extra confirmation. It's one of the simplest and most effective ways to protect your Google account and your Gmail. Start by opening your web browser and going to myaccount.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to protect. If you use more than one account, glance at the profile picture in the top right corner to confirm you're in the correct one before moving on. Next, head to the security area of your account settings. Depending on the layout you see, this may appear as security or security and sign-in. You're looking for the section where Google groups your sign-in and recovery options, so if the wording looks slightly different, focus on finding security in the left-hand menu or across the top. Within security, find the section labeled How You Sign In to Google. This is where Google manages your password, recovery methods, and the feature we need today. It's the central hub for anything related to logging in securely. Select two-step verification in that section. This page explains how two-step works and what to expect when it's on. Take a moment to read the brief overview so you understand that, after enabling it, you'll use your password first and then confirm the sign-in using a second method, like a phone prompt or a code. When you're ready, click Turn on Two-Step Verification. Google may walk you through a quick check to confirm it's really you and to preview how a second step will look the next time you sign in. This is normal and helps ensure you won't be locked out later. To finish, click Turn on to confirm. That's it. Two-step verification is now enabled on your Google account, and Gmail will follow the same protection since it uses the same sign-in. A few helpful notes as you wrap up. After turning this on, your future sign-ins will require that second step, so keep your phone nearby when accessing your account. It's also a good idea to make sure your recovery options, like a backup email or device, are up to date in the same security area. If you ever sign in on a shared or public computer, avoid selecting options that keep you signed in. And later, you can explore additional second-step choices, such as an authenticator app or backup codes, right from this same two-step verification page. You've now strengthened your Gmail with a powerful extra layer of security. Nice work!